Hey guys, so it's me, and today I'm going to be teaching you or showing you how to make this squishy I just made yesterday. And it's like a chocolate bar, and it's really slow rising and stuff. So let's get into it. So what you need for this is a sponge. Scissors. If your sponge is big, you need to cut it like this. And a paint. I'm using paint because I don't have cloth paint.
Successful. Know that you have yourself. Good job.
Brush.
Changes.
You have stage 3 cancer.
And she
And
meet her match.
Jaika, Dr. Vivian needs a private nurse.
and a so let's get started. So first you need to cut your sponge. So I'm going to come back when I cut my sponge off. Okay, there you go. I cut it already. And this sponge is from an old sponge, so that's why it has this. And I already kind of used it. So yeah. Next is you want to kind of cut the edges so it won't be good and stuff. Wait for me to come back. Okay, next is get a black paint. So I'm gonna get a black paint right now. Okay. Where is it?
Ang baliwalahin ko yung ibig sa pagdating sa kalaban ko. Doktor ko maubanat eh. Dahil sa pulang diamante. Ha? Pulang diamante? Oo, naigay ko na sa akin yung data noong araw. Ang kapangyarihan ng asul na diamante ay kayang tapasan ng kapangyarihan ng pulang diamante. Ganun siya pa.
Okay, so you wanna get this. Now you wanna do a line. Just keep a straight line. Now you can decide what color you're gonna do, or yeah. You can either use 2 colors. Okay, so yeah. Now, I'm gonna pick my color. So I'm gonna color this both sides, and I'm gonna get back. So this is the color I pick. Next is you wanna paint a border black on the side. Okay. Now I'm done painting the borders. Now I can paint black in the sides like this. Okay? Here you go. And let it dry. After you let it dry, paint the bottom, and you're done. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And okay, sorry if my hands are dirty.